Hello, boys and girls. Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Can we also say hello to Snowy? Can we all say hello, Snowy? He's giving us a wave. Boys and girls, Snowy has got his box, but his box is facing the other way again. I wonder what's inside Snowy's box today. Shall we find out? Let's sing our song and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Boys and girls, it's not really rattling too much because it's already open. And it's got something very, very strange inside. I wonder if you know what this is. Do you know what this is? It's a dustpan, and usually a dustpan has a brush. So when something falls down on the floor, we need to sweep it up to put it in the bin. We can use a dustpan and brush. We usually have these in school. So my turn. Dustpan. Your turn. My turn again. Dustpan. Your turn again. My turn again. Dustpan. Your turn again. Excellent. So we've got the dustpan, which we're going to put at the side of Snowy there. Okay. The box has closed now, boys and girls. So I wonder what is inside the box. Should we sing our song and find out? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, boys and girls. Can you see that? Can you see? It's Snowy's friend. It's Dan the dog. And he's giving him a big nod. Dan the dog is here today. So, we've got dog. My turn. Dog. Your turn. Dog. My turn again. Dog. Your turn. Dog. My turn again. Dog. Your turn. Excellent. So this, boys and girls, is Dan the dog, and he likes to play with Snowy. He's Snowy's friend. So let's put him next to Snowy, his friend. Oh, look, he's having a little lie down there. So we've got a dustpan. We've got Dan, who's a dog. Let's see what else is inside the box. Ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh. What is this, boys and girls? It's a dress. A dress. My turn. Dress. Your turn. My turn again. Dress. Your turn again. Excellent. So we've got a dress. I wonder who Snowy borrowed that from. We've got Dan, who's a dog, and we've got a dustpan. I'm going to put the dress at the side here, just next to Snowy, so he can look after it. In fact, boys and girls, I'm going to put him in front of Snowy. There we go. Okay, I think there's one more thing inside the box. Shall we find out? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's very small, boys and girls. Very, very small. I know we have big ones of these in school. Can you see? It's got different dots on each face. This is when we play games, it's called a dice. Dice. My turn. Dice. My turn again. Dice. Your turn. Excellent. My turn again. Dice. Your turn. Excellent. So in Snowy's box today, we had some interesting things. We had a dice, a dustpan, a dress, and Snowy's friend, Dan the dog. So I'm going to put some of these things here. I'm going to leave Dan next to his friend because I think he's quite excited to be next to his friend. Just put the dress on top of the box and put the dice so we can see the dice as well. So in our box today, we had lots of things that start with the d sound. Can you see Miss Rani's mouth? D. My teeth are together, my lips are open. D. And my tongue goes to the top of my roof of my front teeth, at the top teeth. D. When I make that sound. It's a short sound. D. Have a go at saying that sound. D. Excellent. Well done, boys and girls. I think we should give ourselves some fireworks for our d sound. Ready? Have a look today for any d things at home and let your families know. Can we all say bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Excellent. Can we say bye, everyone? Your turn. Well done. Remember, only one video a day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye, everyone.